Hey guys, I'm Glory Alia, and today, before I want to start this video, I want to give a little shout out to one of my friends named Scout. Now, let me go and search their username up real quick. Alright, so basically, their YouTube is Scout, but if it doesn't work, then just search up Scout Animal Jam, and then it'll lead you to their channel, which is Scout. They have 94 subscribers, and the thing that I would like you guys to do is get her to 100 subscribers. Do you think you guys could do that? And if you are already subscribed to Scout, maybe try and getting a friend to subscribe to Scout, because she used to have 100, but then something happened with YouTube, and then she lost all of her subscribers. So now she only has 94. So let's get her back to 100. Anyways, guys, let's continue on with the video. Where could Apple Lady and the Doctor be? This phantom prison sure is big. There's a ladder that goes up here. I wonder where it goes to. I keep saying Maybe Apple Lady and the Doctor's up here. Alright, I might as well go up here and see what's up there. But let's just okay, I went up here. Oh, it looks just like more jail cells. Gasp. Is that Apple Lady? I think it is. I'm going to go break her free right now. Oh no, the wall just closed. Oh my gosh, how will I get in from the outside? I think I know how. Hey, Apple Lady, it's me, Coyote. Apple Lady, can you hear me from the other side of that wall? Coyote, that's you? Oh, yay, I always knew that you weren't in jail. Oh, actually, I was in the prison, but I found a way to break out. You know how my helmet is super strong, and after that plane crash it still hasn't broke? Oh, right. Yeah, I just forgot about that. Oh, whoa, what just happened? Oh my gosh. I just saw a rock fly by. Wait a second, who threw that rock? I threw that rock. Come on, Apple Lady, get freed. Me and Coyote are already free, and we are going to get you free. Stand back, Coyote. I know just how to open up this wall. Alright, I'm going to put my stethoscope in this lock, and shapow! Just opened it. Come on, Apple Lady, be free. We have to get out of here quickly before the phantom guards get us. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my gosh, we have to get out of here quickly. Thank you so much, Doc. Thank you so much, Coyote. Come on, let's quickly go. Let's go find that car again. Unless it's already broken. Then we're just gonna have to walk our way home. Alright, and I can't walk in these high heels no more. Alright, guys. Come on, let's go. Guys, we're free. And is that the car? Guys, I found the car. And wait a second. Doc, can you pass me your keys real quick? Oh yeah, of course, Coyote. Hold on, let me just catch up with you real quick. How are you so fast at running? Your leg is broken. Okay, hold on. Oh boy. Let me just unlock the car and hold on. Is it working? I think the lights, they turned yellow. That means it's working. This car still works after all it's been through. Come on, guys, we have to quickly get away before the phantoms get us again. Come on, hurry up, Apple Lady, you're so behind. I mean, I know you're in high heels and everything, but come on, you don't want to get taken away. Okay, guys, I'm almost there. Coming. I can't run in these high heels. Why'd I have to wear high heels on this exact day? Okay. Made it to the car, guys. Come on, let's just get to Coyote's house and sleep. Let's go. Guys, I think I see my house right up ahead. Keep driving straight. Keep driving straight, Doc. We're almost there. And by the way, Doc, after driving me here, I think you deserve to have a break. You can stay over at my house. You don't have to drive all the way back to your house. Besides, I have lots of room. I live in a castle after all. Really? Wow, thank you so much, Coyote. Alright, just a little bit farther, and we're almost there. Guys, we made it. This is my house. We're there. We're here. We're here. I haven't been here. I feel like I haven't been here in forever. I just want to kiss the walls of my house right now. Come on, guys, and unlock the door. Whew. Come on, guys. Let me go show you the rooms. I mean, well, my room. There's only one room. Well, other than downstairs, but you don't want to sleep on the couch. All right. I have 2 beds here, and this gray one is mine. Who wants to sleep in the blue and yellow bed? Me! Snore. 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 That is some very obnoxious snoring. I think I'm going to give her a checkup in the morning, just in case she's okay. Anyway, where am I gonna sleep then, Coyote? If those 2 are, taken, where do I sleep? Alright, come with me, follow me. Let's just go downstairs then. Yeah, here. Would you mind sleeping on the couches? Yeah, okay, I guess. I mean, I wouldn't want to sleep with that obnoxiously loud apple lady's snores, now would I? Ha ha ha. Oh, right, you're sleeping with her. Come to me if you need an ear checkup. Anyways, I'm gonna be asleep. Night Coyote. Thanks for letting me sleep in, your house tonight. Snore. Snore. Why does everyone here have such a weird snore? Oh well. Yawn. Oh, I'm getting super sleepy. It's been a long day today, now hasn't it? I went to Phantom Prison. I crashed in a car. I crashed twice today. Crashed in an airplane, crashed in a car. Went to Phantom Prison, crashed in an ocean. Went to a juice hut, been to a doctor's office. Yeah, it's been a pretty long day. This is the first time I get to sleep in, like, years. Well, not years, like, days. Like, one day. But, oh well. It's gonna be the best sleep I'll ever get. Snore! Snore! Ha ha ha! Those fools! They thought I didn't see them, but I really did. I'm just not fast enough to catch up to them, so if I were to run at them at full speed, I would just end up embarrassing myself. I want to act cool around these people. After all, I am a Phantom Guard. I guess I'm not very cool if I let all the prisoners escape. I almost get caught by my own laser trap. Guess I'll turn that off. Guess another one's been freed. Ugh. But little do they know I know exactly where they went. I'm going to go tell my boss right now where they've gone to. And he'll be so happy when I track them down. I'm going to get promoted. Ha ha ha. I need to work on my evil laugh. Maybe...